everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Kathleen, you are there?
I think they're just joining in.
Yes, sir.
Mama no sir.
Okay. I think, ma'am, they made a lot of money in business studies. They're not interested to study now.
Yeah, that's why we are so late today. Huh?
Give them a couple of minutes. I think most of them would be in. What are we doing with maths today?
Today we are doing HCF and LCM
Okay, all right. A lot of examples to do and a lot of practical.
questions. Yeah, practical is also there. Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. I'll be there. If you need, I made you the co-host. Is there anything you let me know?
I have studied HCF and LCM and I know how to do them.
There are many different ways to do that. I will be doing it today. Okay. Yeah, Mani?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Sakleen, Muni, Farhana, Amina, you're there? Farhana?
Yes.
Yeah, Amina is there. Farhana is there. I can see Sakleen is there. Munib is there. Safia. Okay, we'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start. Okay, Safia has come. Okay, anybody remembers what we did in the last maths class? Yes, Safia? Unmute.
You gave us sums of
Of what topic we did?
ma'am how to solve this
Prime
factors.
factorization.
Yes, prime factorization we did. We did factors. We played a game also on factors. Remember?
Yes.
Ma'am, you said you will give a multiple game also. You made it?
Today, maybe in the next class, I'll give you multiple game. Today we have one activity I'll show you on HCF. Okay? If you want to play multiple game, I'll make it, because for multiple we need 1 to 100 numbers. So you want to play multiple game? Just show me a thumbs up. So we'll play it in the next class. Yes? Okay. Everybody said yes. Amina, I cannot see you. You said yes, Amina?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Sakleen said yes. Okay, so next class we'll be playing multiple game. Okay, so it will be from 1 to 100. It won't be from 1 to 30. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now we'll start with HCF and LCM. I know most of you have already done this thing earlier, because this topic we learned from 5th also, in 6th also, in 7th also. So all the topics we usually repeat in the next classes, but with a twist. Okay, so we are going to now I'll share the screen. I hope everybody has joined.
And today what are we gonna learn?
We are going to learn about HCF and LCM, okay, and the various ways how we can do it. There are 2-3 methods how to solve. Any method you can use to solve HCF and LCM, whichever is easier for you. Okay. Okay, so let us start sharing the screen. Okay, now my screen is visible to you all?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so last time we have already done factors, we have already done multiples. Factors means the number, if suppose 2 is a factor of 6, that means 2 divides 6 exactly. That means 2 is a factor. 3 is also a factor. Then what is 6? 6 is
Product.
product, also called as multiple.
Yeah.
6 is a multiple of 3 and 6 is a multiple of
2. And 1 also.
And 1 also, yes. So let us start as usual with a puzzle. Now here you can see few numbers written, the square and circles are there. You have to put the value here in square, which should be a composite number, and in circle you have to put the value as a prime number. Circles you have to fill prime numbers, and square you have to fill composite number. Don't write it now, I'll ask. Okay, so you have to fill composite number in this thing, and what number you have to make? First one we are doing, so you have to make 80. Okay, so let us start with Muneeb only. Muneeb, 8 into what is 80? It should be a composite number.
10.
Okay, 10. Now you can write 10. Okay, Mudabbir, 16.
Mama, how to write? I don't have the option to write.
Okay, someone, can you write or should I write? Yes, 10. Fine. Okay, Mudabbir, 16 into a prime number is 80. So 16 into what is 80?
5.
5. So write down 5 over here. So 5 is a prime number, so 16 into 5. Now next is 40 into 2 is correct. That is already done. This is 2 power is there 2. So 2 square into what is 80? Sakleen?
What?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of
20.
square?
20. Square means 2 into 2. Okay, the next topic now after HCF LCM we'll be doing the exponents also. You know what is exponent? 2 raised to 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, I'll explain you when we do after this HCF and LCM, we'll be doing exponents, then it will be clear. So 2 square means 2 multiplied 2 times. So 2 into 2. 2 cube means 2 is multiplied 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 raised to 3. So here it is 2 2s are 4 into 20 is 80. Now here what is the answer?
10.
Who will write? 10 into? Amina?
10 into
10 into dash into dash into dash, and all three should be prime numbers.
10 into 2 into
Correct?
into 2
Correct?
into 20.
into
Into?
20.
1.
Into 2 only, na? Because 0 is already over here. 2 into 2 into 2 becomes 8, and 8 into 10
Yeah.
80. Okay, so 3 prime numbers over here are 2. Okay, next one. Okay, next, Farhan. 6 into what? It is a square. So what number you should put? A composite number. So 6 into 10, correct. 6 into 10 is 60. Okay, next one, again 2 squares are there. So now what will be the answer, Abdullah? Next, you, Humaira, you have to be ready with this one.
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am.
Both should
I'm
be
not settled.
No, this is wrong. Who has written 30 into 2? This is wrong because 2 is a prime number and you have to put 2 composite number. So product of 2 composite number should be equal to 60.
Ma'am, can you please ask the question, ma'am?
See, the squares are there. Okay, Amina, I saw your answer. The squares are there, these 2 squares. Wherever square is there, you have to put composite number. Wherever circle is there, you have to put prime number. Now, 2 composite numbers are there. Here you have to put 2 composite number. One is a unique number. What are the factors of 60? Just think about it.
15 into 5.
15 into 5 is?
No, 15.
Correct.
4.
15
4.
into 4. Yes.
15 into 4.
Both are composite number, so this is correct. Here a composite and a prime number. Till now the difference is clear to everyone. What is composite? What is prime? Okay, only 2 factors for prime. So 15 and 4 both are composite numbers, so this is the correct answer. Okay, Humaira, 1 prime and this is prime. 1 prime and 1 composite. What will be the answer?
30 into 2.
30 into 2. So here 30 and here you will write 2. Next one, it is done already, 20 into 3. And the last
3 into 20.
3 into 2?
No. 3 into
3 into 20 is already done. Here you cannot write 3 because here you have to write composite and here you have to write prime. So what is left over here? And one more term is left. Awesome. What you will write here? All the
divided by
what is the best solution
60 into 1.
into 1?
3 multiplied by 20.
Ma'am, can I say 60 into 1? Here 60 and the other one is 1.
1 is a unit number, right? It's not neither prime nor composite number.
Now what?
Right here. Okay, leave this. What will you write here? Can you find the answer, Muazzam?
Ma'am, 10 into 6.
What are the factors of 60?
10 into 2 into 2.
All are prime.
10 into 2 into 2.
10 is what?
Prime.
What? Prime or
No, ma'am,
composite
it's wrong.
number?
Composite.
Composite.
But you cannot write composite over here.
Hello, ma'am. Then 2 into 12 into 2 into 2.
No, write down in your notebook and do, because prime factorization means only prime factors you have to write.
Yes, ma'am. 15 into 2 into 1 into 2.
15 is not a prime factor. When you are doing last class, I told you do prime
Acha, हाँ.
using factor tree method, or all of you just do it in your notebook.
60.
Factor tree or this thing, your repeated division method.
Ma'am,
8 into 16, 16 into 1.
Yeah, anybody has got 60 ka prime factorization? I don't
4 to the 8.
Ma'am, I got it.
You got
It's,
it?
yes, it's
So what is the answer?
2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5.
5 is also there, no?
Yes, into 5.
Yes. So you have to write 3 2s are 6. This is the
Five.
correct answer. Can you see this? So if it is written 60, only prime factors, right?
30.
So you
Yes.
just find it out in prime factorization method. Find out the prime factors. This is the answer. What is the answer?
And
Unique
5
5 into
into
2 into 2. Prime factors are 60.
Ma'am, because of some background noise, I can't hear you, ma'am.
ma'am 5 into 12.
Humera,
Please mute
12 into
yourself.
5.
Okay.
Thank you, Humera.
And I guess the last one is 12 into 5 now. This
yes,
one 12
Correct.
into 5.
12 into 5, because it is not done over here. So it is 12 into 5. 5 is a prime number and 12 is composite number. Understood what was the trick over here? You have to fill composite in squares and you have to fill prime numbers in circles. So one more, I'm giving you one more question related to this only. Just see this. Is it visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just see, 120 is there. Again, the same rule. Squares will have composite numbers. I'm giving you 1 minute time. Just find out the factors, the prime factors, and you'll be able to do. So just I'm giving you 1 minute time. Find it out.
Okay, so Shruti ma'am, I need a little help. I'm going to do a breakout room with few children, and then you can ask them individually, and others can just come in here and do solving.
Sure,
Is that okay?
Sure, we can do that.
All right, so we're doing a breakout room right now. And
So just note down the question, write down the factors, and be ready with your answers. Don't write the answer right now. This is the wrong answers you are writing, so I'm not going to tell anybody. I'll come back and ask.
so I've got some students with you in the breakout room, ma'am. The rest of them, you can just ask them, and the rest they'll be in the main room itself.
Okay.
All right. You all are with me. The others have gone in the first breakout room. How is it going? Tell me what's your, any question, any challenges? Farhana, did you get it? 120?
Yes, I'm
Correct.
just solving it.
Okay, hey, Muazzam, Mudabbir, how did you both go away in 2 breakout rooms? You both are in the same room. Unmute yourself.
Went to take something. A book.
Acha, oh, okay. I thought he tell him breakout room is not other room. He cannot. He has to be in the same place. Yeah, good to see you back. All right, Ahmed, Abdullah, you all are okay with this sum? You all are okay with HCF and LCM?
Yes.
So you all, I want Munib to teach all of us now. Munib, I'll give you a number. Muazzam, give a number to Munib quickly. So what are you doing?
Give a hard number.
50. Abdullah, I'll give a hard number to you. Wait a minute. 50. Munib, 50 is what he said. What are we doing? HCF or LCM? Factor, only factors right now, isn't it?
Only factor.
Yeah, Munib, we need factors of 50 quickly. Unmute and speak up. Hey, Abdullah, bhagya. Abdullah. Okay, don't worry. I'll get a number for you. Farhana, think of a number for Abdullah. Munib, quickly tell me and help us.
Yes.
You want to use a whiteboard, Munib?
Yes, what?
50. Factor for 50, Munib. Can you see the whiteboard, all of you?
But I cannot write. Don't have option.
No, I will tell you. Tell me, I'll write it for you. So that is the number. Please forgive me if my writing is very bad. Is that right? Okay, I'm going to ask with Farhana to help me. Okay, Farhana, help me with 50.
I can.
I solve it.
Yeah, solve it. Tell me, I'll write it down for you all.
Okay. So 52.
Okay,
2 and 25.
good. 2 and 25. Okay, and 25 is very easy, right? Mudabbir, 25 is? Are we done, Mudabbir? Is it easy? Done? Okay.
I don't write.
Is it right? Is it right? I don't know. You have to tell me. Can you see
Yes.
the screen? Okay, good. Mudabbir, give a very tough number to Ahmed. Ahmed?
179.
Boy, that is some number. Ahmed, quickly come here. Where are you? Unmute and speak up, please.
I'm here.
Yeah, okay, Ahmed. Tell me, 179. That's Mudabbir's challenge to you, Ahmed. So do we write one, guys?
3. You-
3.
it's-
3. Okay, 3 5 are 15, 29. Ahmed doesn't work. See how I'm doing? See, the moment Ahmed, see, I'll tell you. So I learned this in my CAT exam. He did 3. So I did 3 5 are 15. Immediately 2 comes in my mind. So 29, it doesn't work with 29 anyway. So 3 is not a number. Is 179 a prime number by itself? Muazzam, Abdullah.
Yes.
What are the factors of 179?
It's only 170 and multiply by 1.
All right, so there you are. Okay, Farhana, where is the next number for Abdullah? Farhana, quickly give me a number for Abdullah. And he'll run away again, I think. Come on, Farhana, quickly.
125.
Farhana, you can't be gentle to these people. These boys are cruel. 125, Abdullah.
Yeah. First of all, it will be
Yeah, your mind should think,
Five.
you know, oh,
Five.
great. Okay, 5 into how many is 125? Matter
5
solved.
into 20. No. 25. Yeah. Five.
All right, I am helping you all. Okay, Munib, give a very tough number to Muazzam. It should like Muazzam should run away now in the breakout room. Come on, Munib. Munib. Okay, Ahmed, give a number.
546.
376.
Okay, I'll take first number, Munib 5. He just said in the nick of time. Ahmed, keep your number for Farhana, okay? 546. The moment you give even number, Muazzam knows what to do. Muazzam, tell me what to do.
2.
Okay, so you apply the 2 rule. Break it down. What do I do? Quickly, guys.
273.
Perfect. So you know that, right? 4, 1 comes with 14 and 3. All right. Break again. Muazzam, help me. Can
Now
you
it's
see my-
273, not 473.
I'm so sorry. 1 minute. Where did my thing hold go away? I'll just come back. Okay. Where did my whiteboard go away? Okay. Yeah. Sorry. 273. Okay. Who is good with eraser? Mitado. Okay. Hey, don't use anyone. Okay. All right. Tell me again. Go ahead. Great. Thank you. Hey, the guys are smart here. 273. Breakdown. Who's doing it? You can use your. 273 is a prime number, Muazzam?
Maybe.
No, 27, 3. Just think of it. 3, and your mind should go. 3 10 the 30. So 3 has to be something to 27.
3,
Yeah.
27, 9.
Yes.
91. 91.
Good enough. 91. Now 91 looks like a prime number to me. Does it? Sorry,
Yes.
I'm using my eraser. Hold on. I have to cancel my eraser. I'm very bad at annotation, I think. Okay, so 91 is a prime number. Is that okay with everybody? Yeah. Okay, great. All right, Abdullah, are you ready with your number for Farhana? Come on, Abdullah.
Yes.
She challenged you, okay? So you have to challenge her. Come on, Abdullah, give me a number. You
I'll
have to
give
do-
the number. Yeah. 1200.
You all are nice too, just because you all are gentlemen, I think. Okay, Farhana, come on, 1000. Who can write it down? Why am my eraser not helping me? Okay, go ahead. Somebody write it down. Farhana, come on, 1200. Break it down quickly, Farhana. Farhana ran away. Farhana, quickly, unmute. Yeah,
2 and 6. 2 6 are 12.
but
And
that's
600.
okay. 2 600. Break it down further. 600 is what?
600 is 300.
Okay, 2 and 300. Good. Break it
Yes,
down. So
and
keep
three-
removing the 2 away. 300 would be how much?
Wow. 1500. No, 15. 15.
Yeah, 300 is 150.
150 and
150 and 150 would be 3 5. 50 will be left.
Okay, so you will use this. Please go ahead, Farhana. Keep breaking it down. Now, who else is left? Mudabbir, did I challenge you? Did Ahmed challenge you? Mudabbir and Ahmed. Ahmed challenge Mudabbir. Use your screen. I'll join the other breakout room. Okay. I want to see when I come back. I want to see if the screen's on. Hold on. I'm going to make Mudabbir a co-host. Okay. So Mudabbir, you are the co-host right now. So in case you're like the monitor now. Okay. That's what co-host means. Mudabbir, you can use all the screens. You can mute, unmute everybody. I'm going to the breakout room. Okay. Please go ahead and try it out, guys. Mudabbir can do the screen sharing and everything. Let me go to the breakout room. Can you do that? Mudabbir, speak up. Ahmed, give a number to Mudabbir. Before I go, I want the number from Ahmed and Mudabbir start.
526.
Okay, Mudabbir, go ahead. 526. I'm leaving you guys. Okay, I'm going to breakout room. Are we good, ma'am? You're doing good?
Yeah, actually, without the question, it was getting difficult to give another question.
Okay, so I just started sharing the screen, ma'am, and we were doing the same thing. Give me a number, Saklan, quickly. Ma'am, if you just help me out if I'm doing the right way, that's all. I don't want to teach them wrong. Saklan, give me a number quickly.
Yeah, 340 they were doing.
Okay, 340. Okay, so let me say 340. Humaira will try first. Let's see, Humaira, do we break it down? The moment you see even number, your eyes should be like bright up. Hold on, Safia. Humaira is helping me. Humaira, is it an even number?
Yes.
Okay, so help me out. The moment you say even number, what your eyes should say? What number should you write first, Humaira? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So moment you see even number, you are writing 2 out there, isn't it? Okay. Then Humaira, what else can I do? Safia, can you help me break it down?
You need to divide this by 2, then only you will be able to find.
So you can write 170.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So the moment you see 34, your mind should go to 170. Amina, is 170 again an even number?
Yes.
All right. The moment you see an even number, what do you write?
2.
Okay, then break down 2 for me, Amina. 170. No, Safia, hold on. Amina, 170. 17. Half of 17.
70.
Ma'am, sir, can I say?
Hold on. Okay, Safia, tell me.
85.
Humaira is saying she can't hear anything.
Humaira, just re-log in if you can't hear.
170 divided by 2 is 85.
Okay, how did we get it done? See, I
I've
know.
done it in a different way and I got the answer.
Ma'am,
Okay.
85.
2 into 5 into 17.
Correct. 2 into 2 into 5 into 17. Yes, correct answer.
Now this is so beautiful. Whoever said that, Amina, because I think that is a better way, Safia and Saklan. So 340. Amina told me the moment you saw 170.
Just divided by 17.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Safia, mute yourself, please.
Yes.
So the moment Amina told us 17 is there, Humaira, can you see? Shruti ma'am, can you explain? You are the better explainer.
Ma'am, I said.
Yeah. Oh, Humaira, thank you. You said. So
Okay.
17 is a prime number. Moment you saw 17, now 10 became very easy, isn't it? Let me change the color and then write it down for you.
Whenever 0 comes now, you already know that it is in the table of, it will be 10 times something. And 170 means 17 times 10, right? So that is why it is better to go for 17, because 17 is a prime number and you are finding all prime numbers. Prime factorization you are doing. So first you divide it by 2 because it is an even number. You know that divisibility rules. If the last number is even, that means this number is divisible by 2 or 10 also. So you start with 2, you got 170. Now 170, you see that 0 is there and 17 is a prime number. So you can start after 2, you will start dividing it by 17. If you divide it by 17, you get 10. Now 10 can be broken into prime numbers. What two prime numbers? 10 is
5 into 2.
correct. So 5 and 2 you will get over here. And the final result will be, what will be the final result? 2 into 2 into 5 into 17. These are the prime factors for 340.
Ma'am, they all are okay. Can we close the breakout room?
Yeah, we will now join.
You have any
Ma'am.
questions? Yeah, go ahead, Amina.
I got the answers 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2.
No,
Amina-
which question you are doing? This is 340. This is 340. You took something else?
No, what is the repeated division method only?
So same method, you do it again, check it again, answer should be same. Whichever method you do, the answer should be same. Because see, whatever you got, you just multiply all the numbers and see whether you're getting 340. What did you say just now? 2 into 2 into what? Just tell me.
Amina, you must have a 17 in your answer because that's a prime
2
number.
into 2 into 5 into 17.
2 into 2. That is the answer we are
That is Humaira speaking, isn't it,
No,
Humaira?
I did not say that. Ma'am, I said 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2.
Amina, what's your number?
That is the wrong number you're doing.
340.
No, this is not 340. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 30.
No, Amina. Ma'am, we'll work it out for Amina again. Okay,
It
Amina.
is 160 you have done. You just multiply all the numbers that you have got. You multiply, that is the final number. Actual number 340 will have factors 2 into 17 into 5 into 2. Amina, you just multiply all the numbers that you
Yeah,
have.
ma'am, you're right. Amina got 160. Amina, you have to start with 170. That is where you got it wrong.
340 you have to take the question. 340. You did for 160.
I'm just joining the other breakout. Can we close the room and can we go to the main room, ma'am?
No, we'll go to the main room now.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys, where are we? Mudabbir, how is it going? Your class was good?
Yes.
Yeah, who was the answer? Ahmad and Farhana answered? Mudabbir, did they answer well?
I answered.
You okay? Yeah, you were answering. All right. Yeah, Shruti ma'am, you can. So you want to do few more, Shruti ma'am, or we can go ahead? Where's Shruti ma'am? She didn't join. Shruti ma'am, you are muted, please. Okay.
So I need to share the screen once again, or I'll get.
Yes, ma'am. You need to share the screen again. Okay. Everybody is good with it. Amina, you got your answer from 160?
Yeah, I might have that one.
Yeah. Yes. All right.
Okay.
Any help, ma'am?
No, I'm doing it. Yeah.
You're there.
Is it visible now? My screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Question we were doing. So I hope all of you have done this question. Now can you give me the answer? This was the answer 120. What is the answer? You will write over here. The prime numbers 3 is already there. What will be the power? What will be here and what will be here? Yeah, Farhana, have you done this? Because my group already I have discussed, so I'll ask. Yeah. Okay. Correct. This Farhana has done. Okay, fine. Next, 2 squares mean 2 composites. What 2 composites will make 120?
Ma'am, 10 and 12.
10 and 12 is correct. What 1 prime and 1 composite will make 120?
60 and 2.
60 and 2 is correct. 6 2s are 12 and 0. Yeah, that is correct. Then 12 and 10 is already done. Here, what will you write? These two, other than 12 and 10. What will you write? Just think, you have the factors written at the bottom. Just think, two composites. Okay, 60 into
2 is not a composite number.
2 is not a composite number. You cannot write 60 into 2. So what else you will write?
15.
15 into? Yes, tell me. That is also correct. 30 into 4 is correct. Then what else?
60 into 60.
60 into 60 is what? 6 6 are 36.
Sorry,
And 60 into 1.
60 into 1 is 60 only.
120 into 1, I mean.
120 into 1 we cannot use because 1 is a unique number. It is neither prime nor composite. So except 1 you have to find.
मतलब एक composite number और एक
Yeah?
26 का
20 into 6, correct? 20 into 6 is correct. So here you can write 20 into 6. So I think we have got all the answers and you can check your answers. In the next slide, you can see 20 into 6, 8 into 15, 60 into 2. So mostly we have done all these. So just, yeah.
Ma'am, 40 into 4.
40 into 4, how is
No,
it?
40 into 3.
Yes, 40 into 3 is correct. Okay, so you have to be careful with your tables and multiplication. Okay. So now, moving on to the next. Now, least common multiples. Multiples means when you multiply any number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it gives you the multiples. So multiple of 18 is written over here. You can see 18, 36,
54, 72, 90,
goes on.
100.
And these are multiples of 24. It goes on. 24,
24, 48,
yes.
72, 96, 120,
Correct.
144.
Goes on. When I say find out least common multiple, so what is the least? First of all, common multiple. What are the common multiples? 72 is common. Okay. 144 is common. Okay. 18 is not common. 18 is not common between 18 and 24.
But
144.
only these many numbers are common.
So till here, only these two numbers are common. But the question is find least common multiple. So which one is the least common?
72.
72.
So 72. So now you know what is least common multiple. But every time finding this way, the least common multiple or LCM is difficult. So how do we find out? We find out using repeated division method. Now what is that? You can see over here LCM of 60 and 72. You see here, both
See,
you have
30,
to first
15,
select a number which is divisible, which will divide both the number exactly. Okay. So you can see both the numbers are even number means divisible by 2. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
And also both the numbers are divisible by 3 also. Why? Because the sum of the number is here is 6, which is divisible by 3, and here it is 9, which is also divisible by 3. So that means you can start with 2 or 3, any number. First, let us start with 2. If you divide 60 by 2, what are you getting?
30.
If you divide 72 by 2, you are getting 36.
36.
Now again you can divide it by 2 because again both the numbers are even numbers.
Ma'am, we can divide it by 3 also.
You can divide it by 3 also, but let us continue first with 2 and then we'll come to 3. So 2,
30, 2 is 15.
15 and 18. Now you divide it with 3. You are getting, because 15 and 18 divisible by 3. So 3 5
5 and 6.
3 6 are 18. Now you don't have any number, any common number which will divide 5 and 6 together. You don't have any number which will divide 5 and 6 together. Okay.
1.
So 1. So 1 is as it is, you don't write. So what we'll do now? Now LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 6.
6.
Okay. So this whole L shape is the LCM. And when you are writing LCM, you will write it in the multiplication form. So what is the first step, Humaira? You will tell me. How will you start doing LCM? Here 2 numbers are given. You can be given 3 numbers also, 4 numbers also. Okay. So 2 numbers are given. First step, what will you check? Whether it is even or not?
Yes.
If it is even, what will you do, Humaira?
divided by 2.
You will divide it by
Divided by 2.
2. Correct. You will
Two,
divide
no?
it by 2. Again, you will check the divisibility, whether it is divisible by 3 or 7 or 4 or 3 or 2 or 5 or 10. Okay. And then again, you will divide until the point when you get no more divisor which is equally divisible to both. Till that time, you will continue this process, and in the end, you will write LCM as multiplication of all these. Is it clear? Now, when we do
Ma'am.
questions, yes.
If one is odd and one is even, then
If one is odd, one is even, just check the divisibility with 3. Okay, because the numbers which are, for example, here you can see 15 and 18. One is odd, one is even, but it is divisible by 3. Okay, see, first you check divisibility for 2.
Ma'am, but 14 is.
Okay, so first you check divisibility with 2, then you check with 3. For 3, the rule is, yes, who is asking?
me, Amina.
Amina, yeah, tell me, Amina.
Ma'am, like there are two numbers, so then what if they both are not divisible with one number and they have like different numbers? They are divisible.
If
with-
suppose they are not divisible by any number, like 5 and 6, if I tell you find out LCM of 5 and 6, you don't have any number which divides both 5 and 6, correct? So your LCM is 5 into 6, that's all.
And 7 and 14, so my number would be 7 and 14 only.
If 7 and 14 is there, you will divide by 7 first. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. After that, you cannot divide. So your LCM is 14. Okay. So whenever there is a technique, whenever there is a number, for example, you got 7 and 14, LCM will be 14. If you have two numbers, 6 and a number which is in the table of 6 only, like 6 and any number you tell me which is there in the table of 6.
30.
24.
Okay, 24. Just find out LCM of 6 and 24. What is the answer?
2.
No, find it out. LCM
Oh,
of 6
that's
and
not
24. Find it out in the notebook and then tell me the answer. In this way only. If you're not able to do, we'll find out. But you have to start with prime numbers only. 6 and 24. First, what will you do? You will divide by which number? Both are even. 2. Correct?
I'm
You'll
done,
divide-
ma'am.
Done. What is the answer?
It's only 2. 2, 3, and 14.
2, 3, 14. How you are getting? 6 and 24.
Answer 6 and 24.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got it. The answer is Ma'am,
What is the answer?
2, 3, 1 and
3,
4.
1,
Ma'am,
and
it
4.
is 3 and
2, 3, 1,
4.
4.
2 multiply by 2 multiply by
Ma'am.
2
2,
multiply
3,
by 2.
ma'am, it
Just
said 1 and 4.
I want the answer. I want the answer one by one. Yes, Farhana, you tell me.
Ma'am, it's 1 and 4. Like 2 in 2, 3, 1, 4.
Ma'am, I
Multiply
also
all
got same.
prime numbers. Multiply and what is the answer?
Ma'am, 24.
Yes, 24 is the answer. Farhana, multiply your prime numbers. What is the answer you are getting?
Ma'am, it's 2, 2, 3, and 4.
Ma'am, 24.
24. Ma'am, he also got.
See, when
I
I
also got the
ask
same.
LCM, see, I'm not asking you factors. Okay, I'm asking you LCM. So you need to multiply all the numbers and give me the answer. For example, in this question, your answer is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 6. If you multiply it, you're getting 356. Okay, so when I ask you what is the LCM, you will multiply these numbers and give me the answer. So
Ma'am,
when you multiply, what answer you got?
2
24.
into.
I also got
Right?
24.
Okay, and question was 6 and 24. So what I was telling you, if you are getting to find LCM of two numbers and the second number comes in the table of the first number, then the higher number is the LCM. For example, in 6 and 24, your LCM is 24. If 6 and 18 is given, your answer LCM will be 18. Okay, this is a technique. Even if you don't find it out, you will get the answer same only. And if you're not getting the same answer, then it is understood that you are doing it wrongly. Understood what you have to do in LCM? You have to multiply all the prime factors, common prime factors and uncommon which you are getting at the end, which is like 5 and 6. Okay, let us do some more questions. Then you will understand how to do. Is it clear LCM? How to find out LCM?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Find LCM of the following.
Now, three numbers I have given you, 60, 75 and 120. What idea comes to your mind? All are divisible by 5 first. So first start with 5. Divide all by 5. What number you are getting?
60 would be
No, you do it in your notebook and then we'll discuss in the end. So 2 minutes, just do this question. After 5, which number you are dividing now? All
Ma'am,
three.
I'm done, ma'am.
Done. What is the answer?
Answer, ma'am, 5, 3, 4, 5, 8.
I want only prime numbers. So 8 you don't write. You write 2 raised to cube you can write. 2 or 2 into 2 into 2 you can write. Okay. So what is the answer after multiplying? What answer you are getting?
5.
5 5 10. 5 5 5.
After multiplication, Abdullah, what did you get?
Yeah, just 1 minute.
5 5 25.
Anybody else has got, or should I do it here?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm done.
Tell
Ma'am,
me
I
the
got
answer after multiplying.
Apu,
Tell me the answer after you multiply all the common factors. I'm writing it over here and then I'll explain how to do this question. Because 3 numbers are there. How will you do this?
ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I got 2,400.
No, that is wrong. Okay, just see here how you have to do. Just all of you pay attention. First number is all are divisible by 5. Okay, so I'm writing it over here. It will divide, 5 will divide all 3. So what will I get over here after 60? What will I get? If you divide 60
I
by,
got the answer.
what is the answer?
600.
Yeah, 600 is the correct answer. Ahmed, you have got?
Yes, it was me.
Yeah, Ahmed. Okay, good. Anybody else has got 600? Okay, I'm explaining how to do. Humaira, did you do it?
I got it wrong.
Got it wrong. Okay, just see here how you have to do. First, you will divide by 5. 60 divided by 5 is what? 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Is it correct?
12
12 are. So here 5 ones are 5 and 5, 15 fives are. And here what will I write? 5 twos are 10 and 5 fours are 20. Is it correct till here? Now this is, yeah. Now which number should I take, Humaira? This is 12, 15 and 24. So all 3 are not divisible by 5. So
3.
I'll start with 3 because it is all 3 numbers are divisible by 3. Okay. So 3 fours are 12.
4s are 12, 3 5s are 15,
Correct. And
3 8s are 24.
3 eights are 24. Now which number should I take? Should I take 2? Because 2 of them are divisible by 2. Okay. So I'll take 2 now. If I take 2, it is 2 twos are 4. 5 is not divisible, so I'll write 5 as it is. And 4
Fours are 8.
fours are 8. Now again, 2 numbers are divisible by 2. So I'll write 2 over here. 2 ones are 2.
1s are 5, 2
It's not divisible. So 5 as it is and 2 twos are 4. Now I cannot take anything else. So what is the product of this number? My answer will be 5, 3s are 15,
15,
30, 32s are 60, and 60 into 5, 300, and 300 into 2, 600.
You get 1, right?
It's okay if you can stop it here also, or you can keep on dividing also. So answer actually you have got it here only if you multiply through these. If you want to go till 1, you can do that also. That is also correct. But since it is, see, it is extra time you are taking.
If you don't want to like end at 1, then how do you know
It's
till which
overwritten
number you have
over
to
here,
end
na,
it?
5 and 2. So you know that no further number can divide 5 and 2 together. So that is why you can end over here. If you want to end like this also, you can end like this also. So both the ways are correct. If you are ending like this, then only this one is the LCM. If you are ending till here, then this is the LCM. Understood, Amina? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So can you do the second question now? Will you try the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
48, 80 and 112. Just giving you 2 minutes to do. Just do it.
Ma'am, 48, 80 and
48.
112, 112, 48, 80 it is given here only. Which number you will divide first? Start with 2.
And 2.
Yes. Then again 2.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
What is the answer you got?
It's 2 into 2 into 2 into 2
Multiply
into
and
3.
give me the answer. Multiply all and give me the answer. I want LCM is equal to. You will have to write the answer as the product.
Ma'am, 1680.
1680. I need to check it. Huh? Just a moment. I'm checking the answer. Yes, the answer is 1680. Anybody else has got this answer? Wazam? Mudabbir, are you doing?
Ma'am, I only told you this
One-
answer.
Ma'am,
Nobody told. I thought Ahmed told.
ma'am, I got the answer 1680.
1680.
Yes, 1680 is the answer. Who
I got
has
this
got
answer, ma'am.
1680? Sakleen, did you get 1680?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
got
1680.
Amina?
Yes.
Amina, Safia?
Yes.
Amina, did you get it?
Yes. 168.
Farhana?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the numbers you got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2s, 1 3, 1 5 and 1 7. Okay. Multiply all. The answer you'll get it as 1680. Okay. You want me to do it, or it is clear, everyone? You want me
It's
to
clear,
do it?
ma'am.
It's clear. Okay. So one more, 1854 72. Now I want everyone to do fast. 1854 72. If anybody has got?
1852, 70.
Multiply all the factors and then give me the answer. Yeah, Farhana, did you get the answer?
I'm solving it.
Yeah. First divide, if you're dividing with 2, then
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
yes, Abdullah, what is the answer?
216.
What, 216?
Yes.
Yes, 216 is the correct answer. Who else has got? See, I'm showing it here how to do. See, you need to be very fast in doing LCM questions because you need to solve it. This you can see it here, 1854 and 72 is there. So what first number you are going to divide? All three are divisible by what?
2.
2.
2. 2 nines are
Nines are
16.
20.
27.
4, 2
27.
sixes are
36.
14, 2 threes are 6, and 2 sixes are 12. So next is
3.
all are divisible by 3.
3.
So I'll write over here 3. So 3 threes are 9. Then
3 nines are 27.
3 nines are 27. 3 ones are
3
3.
twelves are.
And 3 twos are 6. Then again it is divisible by 3. So again 3 I'll take. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. And 3 fours are 12. Now that is all, because now only 3 and 4 are left. So you can leave till here also. If you want to reach till all 1, you can do like this also. Anyway is correct. 3 will take, ones are 3, 4 will be there. Again, now you will do, you can write directly 4 over here, because 2 and 2 times you need to write. So it will take time only. So your answer is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 4. Okay. And you will write the answer. It comes out to be 216. Fine.
गलत है
गलत है? अच्छा. Who is this? So is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
You want to do more, or should we go to HCF now?
Ma'am, we are done with the class.
Okay. Oh,
Can you show that thing again?
which thing?
Uh,
We did just now. Okay,
yeah.
the time is over. I didn't see it's 12:50. So we'll
Daud
do.
sir,
we'll
can you give us
continue.
some extra time today, Daud sir?
Yeah.
Oh,
What
this-
happened, Abdullah?
Abdullah wants a lot of classes extra. Abdullah will do in a lot of classes. I know everyone excited, but it's great. Good classes when we stop, and then we'll do HCF again. Abdullah, we have the whole year to learn.
We'll start with LCM and then we'll do HCF. Okay. So okay. Bye, everyone. See you in the next class.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, one quick announcement before we all leave. Friday morning, you've got a guest who's going to come and speak to you all the way from Nigeria. So this is your first international guest. So all of you be prepared. I want you to make sure that you will ask a lot of questions to him. The topic is technology and teenagers. Great.
Oh,
All right. See you. Bye-bye.
bye bye.